Hey guys, it's Amber, and I thought it'd be fun to do a little scrapbook.com haul video. Let's see here. So I got 2 freebies, here they are. With this, I got an permanent adhesive roller from their brand, which I would like to try out. And I also got this Celebrate Spellbinders cutting die. So those are pretty fun to have. I got some refills on my Gina K adhesive dot rollers. Usually I find these at Tuesday morning, but I haven't been able to find any in a while, and I'm getting very low. I got a new Stays On Jet Black ink just because mine was getting a little dry. I was going to just buy a re-inker, but it said that they were discontinued, so maybe they don't carry them anymore. I'm not 100% sure. So I have a lot of travel stuff in here. I haven't even actually looked at any of this yet. Let's take a look. I got a lot of Heidi Swapp, her Sun Chaser line, and some of this Echo Park Away We Go line. So this is a 6x12 chipboard. It's got beautiful colors and really like mature designs. I hate stuff that's too cutesy or is like trying to be old-fashioned. Like just modern travel is where it's at. People are taking modern travel photos. It's just how I feel. Let's see. I got these vellum tags and pockets from Heidi Swapp. So there's 6 tags and 6 vellum pieces that you can like mix and match. This is also from that new set with some stamps. You can never beat the price of her stamps that she releases for the collections. They're always inexpensive. So sunsets and sunshine, really happy with that. Super cute. P13, if you've never tried their chipboard, they have some really cool designs. I thought these would kind of be fun. It's like a wreath and like a flower gathering there. Some word phrase, definitions, stickers in the new Suncatcher line as well. So let's see what we got here. So I've got the Vicky Bouton Sweet Rush paper. I thought that was really cute. Fun place to put embellishments. We have a piece from the Away We Go collection. This one is room keys and just like a bunch of sayings, kind of like license plates almost. This one is Cartabella Beach Party. There, I'm sorry, that's my cat in the background. I definitely got this for this side of the pattern paper for travel albums. Here's another Vicky Bouton Sweet Rush pattern paper. I bought it mainly for this side. It's really fun. Tiger Lils. She's climbing into my box of packaging from this. Here is one of the Heidi Swapp papers, the Sun Chaser. Really, I actually like both sides. Another Vicky Bouton Sunrise or Sunset, which is fun. Bought it for that side. And then this one is a bunch of suitcases lined up for green polka dots, which is actually really pretty. It's a great green. Here are some 4x4 cards that could be cut down to 3x4s, or you could punch them out or cut them out. There's a lot you could do with them. And heart geotags on the back. So I bought one of each of those because I liked both sides of the pattern. Here's a sticker sheet from that collection that I thought was really cute. I loved this Huge Big Adventure. We've got another Heidi Swapp Sun Chaser. I bought it for this blue zebra pattern on the back. It's really fun. These are fun too, but I like the zebra. This is, sorry, I should have organized these. This is another Echo Park with all the globes and arrows. Heidi Swapp Sun Chaser. I mainly bought this one for the blue. It's a great blue for Caribbean layouts and stuff. And I really love these painterly style ones. These are really fun. I've been doing a lot of online painting classes, and these are great for when I'm scrapbooking about those. And they have a really fun pink and blue ledger on the back, but this is the side I purchased for. Here is the 4x6 and 3x4 cards from the Echo Park set. And then this one is the 4x6s. So take me anywhere but here. Enjoy your stay. All Who Wander Lost, really cute. Here's another sunset sunrise style one from Heidi Swap. Yellow on the back. This one's like a realistic kind of photo that's distressed, which is really fun with stripes. Another painter style with a ledger. I bought 2 of these. This one was like a pretty pink and blue cloud. The Away We Go 3x4 cards. Cute as all get out. Like, let's do some sightseeing, adventure, oh hey vacay. And of course these are all mixed. So here's another Heidi Swap paper with all the hearts. I really loved the color scheme on that one. There's birds on the back. This is a Maggie Holmes paper with a bunch of like iconic, like the Leaning Tower of Pisa, Brooklyn Bridge, Golden Gate Bridge, the Empire State Building, Eiffel Tower. Just fun. London Eye. And like travel newspaper kind of print on the back. That is from her round trip collection that just came out. And this one's got a bunch of sunshines and stripes. Mainly bought it for the sunshine side. And then this Sweet Rush. It's like a copper metallic multicolor on like a watery blue vellum background. Even just the vellum by itself would be really cool, but I thought these would be fun to cut up. When I get specialty papers like this, I'll cut them into like 4x6s and 3x4s and have multiple pieces from one 12x12 sheet to help create continuity in an album, like if it's a travel album. And that is everything. So hope you had fun taking a look at my stash.